I want to demonstrate how to translate articles in Mori language in our site. And we always use this domain, most wikipedia.org/Sorogo. This is the main page of our site. Now, before you can translate any message or any article, you have to first of all search for the article before you can create. If you create the article without searching, you are probably you may duplicate the article, and duplication is not accepted, and that may increase the number of that same article in the system. So, but that is not recommended. We need to search for the article before we can create the article. So this is an example of what I'm going to do. I'm going to see whether I can create an article on Mori language and see how we can format the article, add the reference, and also rush. See, I'm the best, I'm the best, I'm the best. Marketers, they call me invest, success. Shall be full of and the law. If you try then if you got Malaika, baby, Malaika, Malaika, baby, Malaika, Malaika, baby, Malaika.
Yeah, just in case you are speaking, you are muted. Right.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, we can hear you.
I think my network is worrying me.
Oh, that's unfortunate.
So we are going to go to our the site most wikipedia.org. So from here, we want to search for the article that we want to. You can see my screen.
Yes, your screen is visible.
Yes. So before we can create the article, we have to first of all search the article. So we want to maybe I'll search for um yeah maybe write on black stars. So the word black stars, that's why it's a noun. We don't translate nouns, names of people, names of places, and names of countries. So that's why we just like black stars, of Ghana, and come to the search, but with the search, you click on it. So if you go through the list and you have seen anything like Ghana Black Stars, you can click on it and edit it. But when you go through the list and don't see Black Stars, so you have to go through and check. So I'm not sure Black Stars was created in any of the articles. So from there, you can just come to the Nanenga, to Nanenga Black Stars of Ghana. So you just click on the red hyperlink, and then it will give you a page to create the article. So you allow to Sungre to take it. So you have to allow it to edit. So from here, you start with the black stars. Don't start with uh, any word again. You have to start with the black stars and underline it. Or sorry, and bolding it before you can start anything. You just start from there. So black stars.
Hello. I think his network is disturbing him. So, hello, can we hear each other? Hello.
Yeah, we can hear you, Abu Fatah.
Okay. So,
He has a
I
network
wanted to
problem.
take, I wanted to take over, but my network, I hotspotted my this into my PC, but since I can't share, the network is not strong with my side. So,
Oh,
let me see whether I can use my mobile phone and try.
okay, no problem. Maybe you can try from your end so that we don't lose more time.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
So, so I think from where he stopped, he was at writing a new article. So, and the process of doing that, first of all, the place that he was, after searching for the article on our site, which is the board, that is mean search. So when you search and the article is not yet created, you will see it nanenga. That means create. So you will then click on that nanenga. Then automatically it will be created. But if in a case you search and the article is already there, or the article has already been written, you see the article popping up. So in that case, you have to leave it, or you have to add more content to that article. If there's a need to add more content, you have to add more content to that article, or certain things, maybe referencing and other small things that is needed to be added. So let me try with this one.
Hello. Hello.
Hello, hello.
Yes, I'm back.
I'm try. Okay, okay. Then you can continue.
So let me share the screen again.
Okay.
So we are at Black Stars. We want to translate Black Stars. So from here, if you have your Black Stars here, you can highlight it and building it. So we come to the big A. The Kasinga is the bold. You have Kasinga was
Yeah.
rarely. That's the italics. But I want to bolden it.
Mm.
You can come here and bolden it. After building it, you have to go and find any English article that is having black stars. We go to the English articles and look for article of black stars and come and translate that article into Mori. You can also just type most of what you are doing. You must make sure that you have references. That's why we always go to the English article and look for the black stars or look for the article you are creating. From there, you can get a lot of sentences to translate and to reference. So I'll go to a different page and maybe go to English media, Wikipedia, English Wikipedia.org. So when I go there, I can find any article on black network is not good. So we rather have Ghana national, Black Stars of Africa. So there's no Black Stars. Let me change the name to, let's say, just Black Stars. Black Stars. I think we rather have Ghana national. Okay, Black Star is there. Black Star. Now this one is not what I want to write. So it's another learning. Let's see how we can change the name. We can just write the Ghana Association. So let's rather translate this one. So I'll go back to my article and edit this name. So I'll rather edit it to Ghana Football Association so that we can get a concept very well. So to edit this one, we simply go to, or we can publish it before and move it. So Football Association. So we come to this place. We are coming to Nenga Kibare to move it. No. We are rather
Yeah, Abdul Fattah.
Hello.
I think we've lost him again, right?
Yes. So okay. So from where he stopped, um,
I don't know when he's able to come in there. we get a backup plan so that whenever it's off, then you proceed. Whenever it's off, then you proceed. That way, we're
Okay.
able to
Okay.
something up.
Okay. So he was at writing the article. So what he was explaining was you pick the English article, the one that you have to write in Muri. So when you click open it, there as he was saying Ghana football, Ghana Black Stars, or yeah, or so, something like that. So you click open it, see it the way it is in the English version. Then you maybe you may read a sentence or more than that. Then you translate it to your local language, and our local language is Mori. So when you read the first sentence, how you understand it, you then put it into writing in our page, in our Mori page, which is the article that we will write on. So I can share sharing my screen with my smartphone is very difficult here. So explaining the thing like that will be something difficult. But let me just continue like that. So from doing that, we have this thing. When you continue writing the article till you get the end tail of the article, we have something that we call referencing. So in every article, we have to have reference the place that you the sourcing, the place that you get the information from. So, and the referencing to, we have a way of doing it. As far we are now on live, so our referencing is different from the time that we were in the incubator. Abdurazak, I don't know where you are around. If hello, hello.
Yeah, we can hear you, Mr. Abufata.
Razak, if you can share your screen for me, so that I will explain this thing for them to understand. Okay, so the referencing, so it is it is done by picking what you've written one after the other, and mostly it is in numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 going. That is how the referencing come in. So after the referencing, we have something that we call a data box or info box. So that one it is usually like when you put it, you see it appearing in a picture form with an information under. So that is how that one too looks like. And we have an important thing that is the headings and subheadings. Most of the articles they have headings and subheadings, so they are also key to be fixing if you and other things. So it is important for us to be fixing the headings and subheading if we have it as the way it is in the English article. Okay, so basically to just write an article is just simple as I'm just explaining or he just started. But the most thing is for you to have your Wikipedia account, and after having the Wikipedia account, the writing of the article is something which is not difficult because when you are writing or editing, it will be adding to your edit account, edit account will be increasing and other stuff. So basically, that is how we write article. Those key things they are very very important. Um, the article itself, how you are translating it from the English version to your local language, which is in our local language is Muri, and adding this referencing data boxes, headings, subheadings, and the others. They are all important as far as article writing is concerned. With this, our thing, and I'm not happy like explaining the thing blindly like that because it's a practical thing which need a lot of education. But yes, okay, my network is disturbing. I wanted to connect to my PC, but I think the network is not supporting what I wanted to do. Okay. Hello.
Yeah, we can hear you. I think he joined and he went back again.
He joined and went back again.
Yeah, that's so unfortunate about. We are in Ghana, so we should understand some of these things.
Okay. So, okay, I don't know whether in the beginning he talked about this AfroCuration itself.
Yeah, I think he didn't touch on it. He just went further to go.
Okay. Okay, so so those who are yes with us, also AfroCuration is a project connected to Wikipedia that focuses on improving African-related content. So its main objective is to improve articles about Africa, Africans, and African culture. So it is important for us as a Muri community to document most of our histories as far as this Afro-Creation is concerned. So, and most of the activities that we're doing is mainly on this article writing. So I wish by the end of this, I know articles will be distributed to us, and we should try.
Oh, I think we've lost Mr. Fatau also. No problem.
Hello.
Yeah, welcome back.
Hello.
Yeah, we can hear you. Welcome.
Thank you. So we want to translate. We are translating. Well, we are translating Ghana Football Association into the when I did not log in, so the system jammed my information. So So I have to log in before I continue. So let me log in here. So I'll go to login. I'll go to that's login. So now I'm logging. So we're going to write on Ghana Blaster. So I'll search for it. Sorry, Ghana Football Association. So I'll search whether we have it or not. So I'm not sure we wrote on Ghana Football Association. So if you are sure that that article doesn't exist, you will now come to the red link to create it. So I'll just click on it to give us the interface. So to go to Ghana Football Association. So since that we have wasted a lot of time here because I was not down submission who has a problem. So we just repeat the same thing here. Association, and you go and bolding it just as in the English. So you compare with this translation. If you can translate everything as you type, or you can translate it in your word. Any in your computer, you copy it and paste it here, or you can just translate it directly. So here we are saying that the Ghana Football Association is a governing body of association of association football in Ghana. So let's translate this one. So in order to not to waste time, I'll just pick the translation there and put it so we can go ahead. So we can just pick a translation for it. You can, this is Ghana Football Association, yeah, so Nengesan get ball yearly. Same be Ghana, Tenga. Now, so that's the translation of this is this in the capital Ghana, Accra, founded in 1957. Come here. So I look you 1957. So that's the brief translation of this, only the paragraph, only here. Only the paragraph here, that we can have some time to continue. As the same as what we have here. So here we have the referencing. Here we have 3, 4, 3. So we can also go and reference what we have there. So first I have to bold here. I have to bold here as it is bolded there. So this reference here, there's a reference here after after the base in Ghana, Accra. So I can just come and click here. I can click on the three. It will give me the reference. I'll go there and right click there. I can copy the link there. You can copy the link. Please, if you have concern, you can ask me. Copy link address. So I can come to the end there. It's here. It's based in Accra. So we come here, we go to the references. This is the reference that we have, citation. That's the, we come here, we have a bitmap, and we have mandatory. That's why it's manual. If you are doing it yourself, that you are mandatory, like yourself, you are going to do uh, the if you are click on there, then you have to put your own title, your own year of publication, those kind of things. That means you are doing it on yourself. That's mandatory. But if you are doing it automatic, we call that. So this the automatic place. You click on there and just paste the link in the automatic. It will give you everything that you want. So you click on the insert button there, the reference for you. So you come and click on a Ninge to do. You click on it again. So it has fixed the reference there. So you can come and publish this one for the meantime. So I'll publish it. So I've created an account.
Oh, sorry. Oh, I think we've lost him again. He's still joining. Yeah, just in case you are speaking, you are muted. Okay.
sorry. Sorry. So I'll go to Wikidata and search for Ghana Football Association. So this is Wikidata, Ghana Football Association. I can just scroll down. You can even add this thing. You can even, if it waste your time, you can just even add the most content there. So I'll just flip down to Wikipedia. Yeah, Wikipedia. And click on edit. When I click on edit, I'll move down. I'll come to Wiki. So I'll come to Wiki here and click and write most. It will give you the Mori. I'll click on the Mori content, come to page and paste my title there. Ghana Football Association. I'll paste it there and go and publish. And publish the link. So I'll come here and publish. So when I publish, I'll now come to my article and refresh it. It's not coming. So let me go back to the Wikidata. So I can even, if I can pick the QR code too. There are so many ways of doing it. So if this one doesn't come, you can use the other way. The other way is that I'll copy the QR code. I'll come to my article, but I'm not sure. It should work in that. So I come to, I have to come and do edit source. That's the second. Click on the edit source here and come to the top. The first, just come to the top there and open curly braces. That data box. You put a pipe symbol there. Item equal to, you paste the QR code there and close the data box. And close the curly braces. Let's come and publish it and see. So our data box. So let's go to next one. The referencing to we have to create we have to edit the reference here. So we use subs DC as reference, Mori. So this one is a heading. So Zogo, that's heading. That heading Zogo. So that's we have added reference here. So we publish reference for subTC. So just say added passive subTC. So from here to we can look at the English article too. The hyperlinks there. But this hyperlink, we don't need it in our articles. Governing body of this, we don't need this one. You can go and add more content to our article. So let's add content to our article. Let's go to edit again.
Yeah, let's give him some minutes to come back, so that because we're almost getting to closing. Yeah.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, welcome.
Hello. Yeah, thank you. So
I think time
must say
is
again.
far spent. So I think
It's fast.
I'll just
Uh,
I'll just give additional 6 minutes so that 5:10 we can close.
but this one is okay.
Yeah.
So there's 6 minutes left. We can use it to see how we can. Where was I? So this was contents we created. So let's add the other reference there. And copy the link address. You come to link address. You come to the automatic. You paste the. So we now have two references on this short. So I can probably this one. Okay, even say you can even type it in English. Updated. So here you can add sub headings. We have the history. We have the Gold Coast. So you can say you can add the history here. Great. So history you can say Ibari. So we can come in the English article. You can see it is a heading. So I come here and make my own to heading. So the next one, glucose for association. This one to remember is a noun. So you will not you may translate the association, but all this one is a noun. Glucose Football Association is a noun, so we don't translate that one. But if you prefer, you can leave the glucose football, maybe the association, you can leave that one in Mori. But for me, I see this one to be is a noun, it's a name of the association. So when you make the changes here, you will not get the right thing that you're looking for. You can only change, you can only translate what are not proper nouns. So this one, I think is a proper noun, so we don't translate this one. I just leave it there. So since this one too is it's not a heading, it's a sub heading. So I'll come and the sub heading, I'll come and pick zone per Pogda 1. The next heading 1. Then the down following one 2. So as you are going picking the subheadings, you look at the numbers that follows the subheadings. So I'll pick the one here. So this is how to insert subheadings, how to insert headings, how to insert reference, how to insert data box, and how to create an article in the most Wikipedia platform. So as we go through the article writing in AfroCuration, we will have physical meetings and physical encounter to educate the community much on what to do. Since the online platform was being disturbed by network fluctuations, we make sure that much of these explanations will be given to those who need it much in physical encounter. So physical interaction as we go through the AfroCuration 2026 article writing. So I think I will stop here and I will request any addition and subtraction from my colleagues. So that's why they haven't dropped down. So Sumaya, you have something to say? Sumaya. So if there's no question or any addition, we'll stop our training here and we encounter with the in physical means. Yes.
Okay, thank you very much. And okay, there's a hand up. Is someone asking a question?
Okay, good evening, everyone. Please, can you hear me?
Yeah, we can. We can hear you, Nancy team.
Oh, okay. Thanks very much for a wonderful presentation. But I have a question. My question is concerning about the info box. I realized that the English one is having an image there. But when we created the Mori one, there's no image there. I want to know the reason why the image didn't come. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you very much for your question. I think the lead himself is out again. I think there's internet issues them at the moment. Well, what I can do is I'll just reach out to him and see how best he can answer your question. Then I get you the answer back. Yeah. I guess you're okay with that.
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm okay.
Sure. So without wasting much time, I want to use this opportunity to thank each and every one of you who joined this workshop by the Mori language group, and we are excited to learn more, share ideas, and strengthen our skills in documenting our own culture through this year's AfroCreations team, which is advancing African culture through African traditional music and symbols. So thank you once again, and I hope to see each and everyone in our next session. Bye.
Bye.